Welcome back. What you just saw was me taking out all the parts and pieces for the Harbor Freight Yukon woodworking bench. We're going to put it together today and see if it was worth the $130 that we paid for it. Let's go. I think the only thing we're gonna do different on here that's not in the instructions is wood glue everything. Because if you guys have put something together like this before, you know that it really doesn't stay together all that well. You guys, if you've never used an impact or anything before, run these in by hand. Because it's very easy to strip that stuff out. These two holes right here line up with your center drawer piece, like this. They have dowels that stick out. One of them is broken on mine, so I'm just going to cut this little piece of aluminum rod that I have, stick it in here, and that'll act as a dowel to hold us together until we screw it in. Okay guys, don't do what I did and put these on backwards. So this is wrong. This tab has to be that way. So let's flip them. And just like that, they're fixed. So if you do make the same mistake I did, you don't have to take the whole drawer apart. Just pull screws off of it, mirror it to the other side, and you're good to go. Easy fix. Let's put it in. Make sure your rollers are all the way forward on both sides. Probably gonna have to go under and adjust it because when you put it in, it pushes. Push it in. See how it gets stuck like that? See if I can get you underneath to show you. Alright, here we are underneath. This roller has to be pushed all the way forward. Here it is again. Roller. There we go. Just like that. Easy peasy. Alright, I'll show you one more time with the big drawer. Rollers. See these? All the way forward. Line up your drawer. Push it in. And see how we're getting stuck? Let's go underneath, I'll show you. Alright. Here's our rollers. They have to be pushed all the way forward. Just like that. Tucked in there. Alright, that took 2 hands to do. Alright friends, I think overall what a great value this is. I paid $130 on sale. So pretty easy to set up if you don't screw up the drawers the first time, but also an easy enough fix. So inside, lots of room. Just what a cool little workbench for a good value. I really like Harbor Freight anyway. I like to buy my stuff from there. Super sturdy. And I think with gluing those joints, this is going to hold up a lot longer. But if you have questions on yours, or questions in general, put them in the comment section and I'll get back to you here. So, thanks for tuning in, guys.